Most trucks die quietly. The engine knocks, the transmission slips, and one day, it just won't start. But a few trucks refuse to quit. They keep running long after the loan is paid off, long after the warranty is a distant memory. Some of them cross 500,000 miles without a single major repair. And here's the part nobody tells you. The best trucks for seniors aren't the expensive ones. They're not loaded with touchscreens or self-driving gimmicks. They're simple, they're cheap, and they were practically built to outlive their owners. Today, we're counting down 4 budget-friendly trucks that seniors swear by. Trucks that mechanics quietly recommend to their own parents. We're going from number 4 all the way to number 1, and trust me, the top pick is one most people completely overlook. Let's get into it. Number 4, Toyota Tacoma. 2005 to 2015 models with the 4.0-liter V6. This is the truck that started a legend. Ask any mechanic which mid-sized truck they trust, and the Tacoma comes up before they even finish the question. The 4.0-liter V6 is almost boring in how reliable it is. No turbos, no fancy engineering tricks. Just a simple, tough motor that keeps going. Owners report 300,000 miles on the original engine without ever opening it up. So why is it perfect for seniors? It's easy to drive. It sits at a comfortable height. You don't have to climb up like a ladder, and you don't have to crouch down to get in. And parts are everywhere. If something does break, any shop in the country can fix it cheap. Here's the catch though. These Tacomas hold their value so well that finding a cheap one takes patience. People hang on to them for decades. But if you find a clean one, buy it. You won't regret it. But the next truck on this list is even tougher, and it costs even less. Number 3, the Ford F-150. The 2011 to 2014 models with the 5.0-liter V. Now we're talking full size. The F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for over 40 years, and there's a reason for that. The 5.0-liter V8, known as the Coyote, is a workhorse. It's smooth, it's strong, and it shrugs off high mileage like it's nothing. Owners regularly push these past 400,000 miles with basic maintenance, oil changes, spark plugs. That's it. For seniors, the F-150 brings comfort that smaller trucks just can't match. The seats are wide, the cabin is quiet, and the ride is smooth enough for long highway drives without leaving your back in knots. And because Ford sold millions of them, used prices are surprisingly fair. You can find a solid one without draining your savings. The only real downside? It's big. Tight parking lots and narrow garages can be a challenge. But for most folks, the comfort is worth it. Still, that's nothing compared to what's coming next. Number 2, Honda Ridgeline. The 2006 to 2014 first-generation models. Now this one surprises people. A lot of truck purists turn their nose up at the Ridgeline. They say it's not a real truck, and honestly, they're missing the point completely. The Ridgeline is built on Honda's rock-solid V6 platform, the same engineering that made the Pilot and Odyssey last forever. That 3.5-liter V6 is one of the most reliable engines Honda ever made. But here's where the Ridgeline shines for seniors. It drives like a comfortable car, not a clunky truck. The ride is smooth, the cabin is quiet, and getting in and out is effortless. No climbing, no struggling. It even has a hidden trunk in the bed and a tailgate that opens 2 different ways. Little touches that make daily life easier, which matters a lot more than people admit. The trade-off is towing. It can't haul as much as a full-size truck. But let's be honest, most seniors aren't towing a boat every weekend. They want reliability and comfort, and the Ridgeline delivers both. But the number 1 truck on this list? It's in a league of its own. Number 1, Toyota Tundra. The 2007 to 2017 models with the 5.7-liter V8. If there's one truck that defines the word indestructible, this is it. The 5.7-liter V8 is legendary. We're not talking 300,000 miles. We're talking 500,000, even higher. There are documented Tundras that crossed 1 million miles on the original engine and transmission. Toyota actually tore one down to study it, and the parts were barely worn. Let that sink in. 1 million miles. Most cars don't see a tenth of that. For seniors, the Tundra is the ultimate peace of mind truck. You buy it once, and it simply does not break. No surprise repair bills, no tow trucks, no stress. Just a vehicle you can trust completely year after year. It's comfortable too. Big seats, smooth ride, and controls that are simple and easy to use. No confusing menus, no frustration. The only real downside is fuel. That big V8 drinks gas. But here's the thing. When you're not spending thousands on repairs, you can afford a little more at the pump. It evens out, and then some. So here's the pattern, if you caught it. The most reliable trucks aren't the flashiest. They're simple, they're proven, and they're built by companies that care more about lasting than looking fancy. If you're shopping for a truck that'll outlast everything else on the road, start with these 4. Check the maintenance records. Look for one owner if you can, and don't be scared of high mileage on these specific models. These engines are just getting started. Now I want to hear from you. Which truck would you trust to hit 500,000 miles? Drop it in the comments. And if you own one of these, tell us how many miles you put on it. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, check out our next video on the cars seniors should absolutely avoid. Some of the picks will genuinely surprise you.